The City of Victoria is proud to offer the WaterWise Water Consumption Portal to its utility customers anytime, anywhere. This portal allows customers to monitor water usage, customize alerts, and detect water waste. To sign up, go to victoriawaterwise.com on your laptop, tablet, or mobile device. Be sure to have a copy of your bill handy, as you will be required to enter your account number. Please enter a valid email address and select Get Started. An invitation link will be sent to your email address. Please note that the registration link will expire after 24 hours. When you click on the link in your email, you will be asked to enter your email address, your account number, and your name, last name, comma, space, first name. After you create your password, you will be ready to log in to the customer portal. From the dashboard, you can view your billing cycle, usage, and alerts. If you have multiple accounts, the dashboard will allow you to toggle between them. We hope that this information has helped you to set up and use your WaterWise Water Consumption Portal account. If you have additional questions, please contact the Utility Billing Office at 361-485-3400. And remember, don't be a drip, be WaterWise.